This is the spacious and versatile Inateck Electronic Organizer AB03010, designed to help you tackle messes like this or even the chaos that comes with camera accessories, something I deal with all the time. In this video I will unpack it, show you all the compartments, trust me there are a lot, and highlight its smart patented volcanic structure for easy access. Plus I will share some practical use cases. And the best part, this bag comes at an amazing price point around 30 bucks, and there are often great discounts too. Right now there is an offer on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Awesome. But here's my full disclaimer, just like with the Inateck Slim Bag, this is another product Inateck sent me for an honest complimentary look. Stick around until the end for my final thoughts, including any quirks I find. Now let's roll the intro and dive in. Here is the Inateck Cable Organizer bag. It looks quite nice. It has a similar material like the sling bag, but it's slightly riffled. And you can see here it has also here a hook on the side that protects it for opening it accidentally. So this is also a great thing. Then you have a loop here. There is another loop as well. I assume this is for an additional carry sling here. You have a front pocket, you have a back pocket here, and you have another sling here. So you can also carry it that way, or you could carry it here on the top like a normal bag. All right, then I would say let's open the front compartment. So in this pocket we have a lot of space, and as you can see you have also rubber bands here where you can store stuff, and behind that you have also smaller compartments as well here, so you can also store here some stuff. But because this pocket is really flat, I think you can put also cables in here, but nothing thicker than that. All right, so let's close this part and let's open the back side. Here you have simply a small zipper pocket where you can put in, I don't know, a wallet or cards or something like that. Nothing huge, but you have an additional one also on the back side. On this side you can see that the opening is protected here via this hook, so you can also not open the bag completely. So you have to release this hook, and then we can check out what's in the main compartment. And here you will immediately see what this volcanic design means. I open this one. You can open this till the very bottom of the bag, as you can see here. And then when it's open, you can fold it out. And here you see the volcanic design. Why is it called like this? From the side, you can see it looks like a volcano. And there, the sling already fell out. So this is the sling. Well, you can use it to carry it on the shoulder. This, and it's the same woven in tough zipper like you had in the sling bag. All right, perfect. So what's in there? You have a middle compartment here. You can put in there bigger things, I would say. Then you can put in here in those 4 pockets cables or other stuff, even I think batteries. Then you have a zipper pocket directly also in the middle, so you can put something here in the middle as well. On this side you have also here some rubber bands to put there some cables. You can find them immediately because you can see them then. There you have the Inateck brand here, also quite nice. And on the other side you have 3 additional pockets, plus this is also a good thing, you can carry pens around you, and it's also organized because you have here some rubber bands also for carrying around the pens. On the other side the compartments are very similar, but you have the rubber bands this time on this side. So on the outside of the bag here, on the inner side here you have also 2 compartments which are also here bendable, so this is really great. And additionally you have here a Velcro fastener where you can also put some stuff in here. Let's have a closer look at that. So you have here an additional pocket, and you use the Velcro fastener to fix it here that it doesn't fall out. This bag has a lot of compartments and you can store really a lot of things. So one more thing, let's check the shoulder strap here, and with 2 hooks for the side so you can mount it here. It has a very good quality. the bag as well. And you can simply use it here on the side. Okay, this is very strong, but it's a good thing because otherwise you could lose it. So this is fastened. And now let's check the other side. So let's put it here. All right, I think this is also a very convenient way to carry this bag around. All right, this was the unboxing part. I think we can simply continue then with the first use case. All right, as you can see, I'm traveling here and my first use case would be traveling. So when I travel and go by car or by plane, it's always a mess to carry around all those cables here you can see. So I think the Inateck Organizer is the best way to store all the things I need with me during a travel trip. First of all, I have my mobile hotspot with me. I put this in the middle of the bags. And for that, I still need a micro USB cable, as you can see here. So I store the cable here. So then we have the 4 compartments here. I think in one I can put my mobile Apple Watch power bank here. Then in another one I can put here my in-ear headphones, very tiny, but I have to store them anyways here. In another of these compartments I can store my USB card reader here, so I put it here. And in the other one I think I can use it for another power bank and it fits perfectly. All right, let's continue with these compartments here, the rubber bands ones, so where I can store, for example, smaller batteries. I put them here and they will not fall out. I can put them simply here and they are strong on the side. Then I have my cables for sure, so I have a simple USB-A to USB-C cable. I will just take it this way and I will put it in here. I can see that this is my USB-A to USB-C, so I put it in that way. That's great. Then I have for a very short one, but always usable because my Wi-Fi hotspot also supports a Ethernet cable. I put it here. So then it's stored here. Then on the other side, I have also 3 compartments here. So it's ideal for my portable hard disk, so I put it here. I also need the cable for my hard disk, so it's another USB-C to USB-A cable. I put it here close to my hard disk so then I can use it immediately. So in the last one I put my charger here, so it fits also very well here in this compartment. All right, here in the inner one I have also another 4, so I can use this for my USB hub. Perfect, it fits perfectly. When I'm going by plane, maybe I need also my headphone extension here for my wireless headphones, so I can put them also here. And then I have a 3-in-1 cable, USB-C, Lightning and micro USB to USB-A cable. So this is very handy because you just need one cable and I will store this simply, so I don't think I need it separately, so I put it here. Okay, then I have a smaller one. So for organizing things, I put it also here. And the last one, this cable, it's an L-shaped cable. Okay, so I need this as well. So all in all, you can see here, we stored a lot of things in this bag. We can try to close it now, if everything fits in it. And I close it and ta-da, everything is packed for my travel. This is very, very cool. All right, the second use case is to store my GoPro, because the GoPro camera itself is very tiny and also the tripod I'm using, but the accessories. I always have a problem to store accessories for traveling. So I will now use this Inateck Organizer bag here for my GoPro camera. So first of all, I need easy access to my GoPro, so I put them right in the middle. All right, then I want to have also easy access to my tripod. I put it right here. I hope this fits. All right, then I need also an additional, this is a mouth mount for a better POV situation here. I will put this also in that part of the bag. Then I have here a magnetic clip mount, so I will put this one here on the side. Plus on the other side, I think the GoPro Enduro batteries here will fit perfectly here in these compartments here, in this rubber band compartments. Yes, they do. What do I need additionally? I also need my charging base here. I put it somewhere here, so this should also fit. So I need also my two base mounts where I can mount my camera to this system for the GoPro camera. I will put them here on this side. I think this also fits. Then I need a data transfer cable for sure, USB-C to USB-A as well. And additionally, I also want to store here my media mod, because this is a way better microphone than the built-in ones. So I hope this fits here. Yeah, I think this works. Then I have an additional tripod for the GoPro if I need it, so I can put this simply here in the top compartment as well. And then I also want to store additionally an LED light, because I need this light sometimes, because the GoPro is not that of a low light beast, so I need additional light as well. I put it here. So hopefully this fits. Let me rearrange this a bit. So, and this fits all in my new Inateck organizing bag. And I have now a nice travel setup where I can store the most important GoPro accessories plus the GoPro itself for me for my next trip. Alright, and this is my last use case. So the third use case is storing everything what I need for a trip with my point and shoot Sony camera. I already showed you in the sling bag review that I also put my camera in it, but when I want to go for a travel trip and I use it as my second camera, I can try to store everything here also in this Inateck organizer bag. So first of all, I need the camera. So the camera here itself will be in the middle pocket because I need quick access to it. The second thing is I need my tripod, my mini tripod. I put it here on the side. Then the next step is I have a lot of additional batteries for it, so I can put them, every single one, here in a side pocket, and I assume I can also use these side pockets to store them as well. Great. So all the batteries are stored here in the side pockets. All right, so the next point is to have better audio. I still have my Rode Video Micro Generation 1. I put this one also in the bag, so I put it here in this backside compartment here. Plus I will also store this shock mount for my camera with the cable I need to connect also to this side pocket. Alright, so I also need a data transfer cable, so I will use this USB-C to USB-A cable also on this side. So I also need this one. This is a simple USB card reader. I need this as well, so I put it here on that side. The other thing, what it's really important for me, I have an additional lens, a very useful thing. Not very expensive, and I will put this here, also here. And the second thing, what I still need also, like with the GoPro, an additional light, so that in darker situations I have no problems recording stuff. And that's basically it. All right, let's rearrange it a bit here. Let's put it that one here and that one here. I think this should fit now better. Now I can close this bag with this zipper and we are good to go. So the third use case, using this as my compact point and shoot camera bag, is done. Alright, so what's my conclusion about Inateck's electronic organizer? It's really versatile with a ton of compartments, just like I expected, similar to their sling bag, which I love. Honestly though, for me it has a few too many compartments. Maybe it's just me getting older, but I can always remember what I've put in each one. I do love the open compartments with elastic bands. They make it easier to see what's inside right away. For the price, whether it's around 30 or 20 bucks, it's awesome, especially with the different ways you can carry it. The two handles are great, and it even comes with a shoulder strap, though I probably won't use it that much. For me, this organizer will mostly be for travel or keeping my cables neat at home. I will stick with the sling bag for carrying things around. Also, it's only splash proof, but since I won't be carrying it too much outdoors, I think that's not a big deal for me. All in all, it's a fantastic electronic organizer that's going to seriously help me organize my cable mess. I hope you enjoyed my second Inateck review. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to check out more videos, here's where you can keep on moving. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.